So, as we discuss about the speaking skills and the reading skills. Then, speaking. So, listening is the first activity of the child in a learning a language. Speaking is second activity. The growing child imitates the sounds and combination of sounds used by mother and father, and the others gradually brings to speak. Then, characteristics of good speaker. A speaker should be sure of the subject he is going to the talk about. He must understand the intellectual standards of the listener or listeners and speak in a way that other people understand him. He must be careful about the choice of words and the language he uses. He must use simple words so that all can understand him. The brevity is a sound of wit proverb. So the speaker should use the very few words. The message should be short and sweet. He should closely observe the reaction of the listeners and shape his speech according to it. He should use body language effectively. He should make eye contact with people and use physical signs and hands and impress the people with facial expression. Then, public speaking. Public speaking is the art of speaking a large number of people in order to make them accept your ideas. So, public speaking is important for religious and political affairs. Then, history gives a long list of powerful political and religious speakers. They are called orators. Then, characters of public speaker and also importance of public speaker. The head of the institution or organization should possess the art of speaking. In addition to art of doing, he should have the tact of speaking to his colleagues in such a way as to make them accept his own ideas and plans. He should convenience them of his plans. In any meeting of the staff, his speech must be short and sweet and to the point. The next one, the principle of KISS. Keep it short and sweet. KISS mean keep it short and sweet. So this is very important principle when speaking at any meeting or conference. If the speech is long, it may become boring. People may not listen. If you want your speak to be liked and appreciated by all, it must be short and sweet. Then, advantages of speech. The earliest man first began to speak or write. Any child first learns to speak. In speech, we can express our feeling by the modulation of the tone, rising and lowering of voice, and by change of speech, etc. Love, hatred, ambition, happiness, sorrow, jealousy, enmity. All these emotions are expressed in speech. Uneducated people depend completely on speech. So many tribal have no written from language but only speech. The next one, reading. So reading is the third of the four basic skill LSRW. Through the reading may be viewed a passive skill. It is not so. The mind of the reader is active while reading. Then impact of TV, computers, phones and internet on reading. So it is a well-known fact that above four have caused in some damage the habit of reading that existed 100 years ago. But still they are passionate readers. The importance of reading cannot be denied. Then benefits of reading or importance of reading. So reading helps students understanding power. They can comprehend new concepts or ideas more easily. So reading improves one's vocabulary. It enhances knowledge, fluency and communication skills improve as the result reading. So reading broadens a person's attitude. The next one, methods or kinds of reading. Then skimming. First one, skimming. So skimming and then scanning, close reading, studying, rapid reading. So there are the kinds of reading or methods of reading or types of reading. Then first one, skimming and scanning. So skimming is the fast reading to get the main ideas of a book or newspaper. It is a kind of quick glance. We get general information about the news of the way from the glance. Scanning is the searching of big point or a particular news item in a newspaper. The day after your college day celebration, you open the newspaper, omit the other pages to go directly to the particular page that contains the newspaper about your college day function. Similarly, an eligible bachelor or spinster goes to page matrimonial, unemployed people take the wanted columns. Then close reading. Then close reading is concentrated with literature. Scholars and critics read to play a poem or novel or society by line. And word by word they find various meanings. Characterization, rhyme, then alliteration and other literary beauties. The next one, studying. So studying means reading something with full concentration to understand it. So students have to study their textbook. If a report on the unemployment problems is prepared by the committee, the government authorities must study the report carefully and thoroughly in order to find solution to the problem of unemployment. Then fast reading or rapid reading. So when reading a novel of 300 or 500 pages, a reader is anxious to know what is going to happen next. Therefore, the reader skips the pages of description, the natural beauty or the kind of vague philosophical discussion by characters. He passes on the next pages to find what actions takes place. The next one, tips for effective reading. Then preview. Take notes, summarize, review and reflect. And first one, preview. So try to get an overall view, the book, title, introduction, chapter, headings and a few pages at random. Take notes. Take notes. You should have 100% attention in order to take notes. Then only you will have the proper understanding. If you take notes, that becomes a permanent record. Later, you can read the notes and remember the points. The next one, summarize. At the end of the reading the whole book, make a brief summary of the whole book. Later, you can use the written summary, review and reflect. At the end, you can add your own comments on the text. This will help you future discussion of the book. Then speed of reading. How many words do you read a minute? There are different speeds of reading by different people. The rate of reading also depends on the purpose. So glancing through a newspaper is the fastest. We may read 400 or more words per minute. A college student is expected to read about 280 words per minute on average. That's all.